Okay, we have installed on a Camaro shifter, 67 Camaro, 67 Firebird, or the 68 to 72 Nova shifter, basically all the same shifter. We have our neutral safety switch, the S519, installed, and we have it wired up so we can watch, and you can see how it's installed on the shifter. So we have the shifter in park. We're going to turn the power on, and we notice that light bulb number 1 lights up for the neutral safety. And as we move the shifter out of park and into reverse, light bulb number 2 goes on. So we have our reverse lights coming on. If we then go into neutral, we have light number 1 going back on, and as we go to drive or overdrive, if you have the overdrive transmission, then the light goes out and the car cannot start. So back to neutral, number 1 goes on, into reverse, number 2 goes on, and then back to park, and we have our number 1 light going on. So that's how you install the neutral safety switch in the 67 Camaro or Firebird, or the 68 to 72 Nova. And it's part number S519 from ShiftWorks.